Hello there, Sand Timberwolf here, and I thought I'd do a little video this evening. It's April 3rd, 2023 at 6 o'clock p.m. And first I'm just going to show you my police flag out here. It starts getting, wish a breeze to pick it up. And it says, I stand with police. It's that. But right now it's just not much breeze going right now. But I thought this is rather neat that I was out earlier this afternoon brushing Cassandra, and I was looking at my crabapple tree, and I found out that the leaves are coming out. So you can see it. You can see the leaves coming out of the tree. Yes. And then over next door, this is my next door neighbor, Jack. I don't know his last name. And this is his place and his flags. He probably displays outdoors when it's nice out. And I got the Marine flag and the United States flag. And on my other side I have on the other side I have my American flag flying. This is out in the backyard. And if you can tell, there's still a lot of branches down from the winds and the storms in the winter. Here, that tree right there should be probably taken out with splitting in the middle, and though part of it's gonna maybe fall on my bunkhouse eventually if it's not taken care of soon. And I don't know if you can see out there is my wood pile. I'm trying to see if someone can get the wood. They're welcome to. That little bit of wood there. I don't know if it's still good. It's been sitting out there for a few years. But since I maxed out the, whatever you call it, the pitcher, you can take a look at the field back there. Back there is a field where they, in the spring, they either put corn or soybean in. So a lot of times in the fall, between summer and fall, the stink bugs will come in. They love the corn and they love the soybean. So that brings stink bugs. I found out that they're invasive from a different country, came in a few years ago. Down there, let's see if you can see it. I'm gonna go back in. And down there by my air conditioners, my Rosa Sharon plant, have a few more I'm hoping to get planted. And yeah, so have some pretty Rosa Sharon bushes. Turning back around now. Where's Miss Chrisandra at? That's pretty cool. The branches coming out, or not the branches, but the leaves. Chrisandra. There's Chrisandra. Hi, Chrisandra. She's checking everything out. And then down here, if I get up, is all of Cassandra's fur. I've been brushing her today, so that's all Cassandra's fur. Yep. Yep. not really being windy enough to have the flag come all the way out. But it's across the street from me. There's still no trailer there yet. Pardon me speaking. And might have got a bird in there. Okay. Well, I guess I'll end this video. Come on, pick up some wind. There you go. Yeah, the flag says I stand with police. Okay. Alright, I'll end this video. Chrisandra, she's just looking around. Hey. There she is. She's looking at the camera now. Saying hi. Okay. I'll end it. This is Singing Timberwolf over and out. Time is 18:05, 6:05 p.m. Out.